Welcome to Canal Market Academy. In this video, we will explore in detail the different types of insurance and provide you with practical tips on how to choose them properly. Our goal is to help you protect your assets and your financial well-being. Before we begin, we are pleased to remind you that the book The Road to Financial Freedom and Happiness by author Maximiliano Nicolas is available for purchase in both physical and digital versions. This book will expand your financial knowledge and help you achieve financial freedom. Now, let's delve into the different types of insurance and how to choose them properly.
Health insurance is a contract between an individual and an insurance company that provides financial coverage for medical and healthcare expenses. The main purpose of health insurance is to protect individuals against the high costs of medical care, including doctor visits, medications, hospitalization, surgeries, and other treatments. When choosing the right health insurance, there are several important factors to consider. 1. Coverage. Check what medical services and treatments are covered by the insurance. Make sure it includes services you need frequently, such as doctor's visits, prescription drugs, hospitalization, and specialists. 2. Provider network. Check if the insurance has a wide network of doctors, hospitals, and clinics. Make sure that your preferred healthcare providers are included in the network or that you can visit them out of network without incurring significant additional costs. 3. Costs. Evaluate the costs associated with insurance, such as monthly premiums, deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. Consider how much you are willing to pay up front and how much you can afford in terms of medical expenses before the insurance begins to cover the costs. 4. Additional benefits. Some health insurance companies offer additional benefits, such as wellness programs, dental and vision coverage, telemedicine services, discounts at fitness centers, among others. 5. Exclusions and limitations. Read the insurance exclusions and limitations carefully. Some plans may have restrictions on certain treatments or pre-existing conditions. Make sure you understand what services are not covered or if there are waiting periods for certain procedures. 6. Reputation of the insurer. Investigate the reputation and financial strength of the insurer. Review customer reviews, the insurer's rating by rating agencies, and its claims payment history. 7. Personal needs. Consider your medical needs and those of your family. Evaluate if you have pre-existing medical conditions that require specific coverage and if you need dependent coverage options. 8. Comparison of options. Compare different health insurance plans before making a decision. Check the features, benefits, and costs of various insurance plans and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Life insurance is a contract between an individual and an insurance company that provides financial protection to designated beneficiaries in the event of the insured's death. The main purpose of life insurance is to ensure the financial well-being of the insured's loved ones after his or her death by providing them with a sum of money called a death benefit. When choosing a suitable life insurance policy, there are several important factors to consider. 1. Type of life insurance. There are different types of life insurance, such as term life insurance, whole life insurance, and universal life insurance. Evaluate which type of life insurance is most suitable for your needs and circumstances. 2. Amount of coverage. Determine the amount of coverage you need. Consider your outstanding debts, such as mortgages or loans, your children's future education expenses, funeral and burial expenses, and the amount of income you would like to replace to maintain your beneficiary's standard of living. 3. Beneficiaries. Decide who will be the beneficiaries of your life insurance. They can be your spouse, children, parents, or other loved ones. Be sure to clearly specify who the beneficiaries are and what percentage of the sum insured they will receive. 4. Premiums. Compare premiums from different insurance companies. Premiums may vary according to age, health status, and the type of life insurance you choose. Evaluate how much you are willing to pay monthly or annually and if the premiums are affordable in the long run. 5. Exclusions and limitations. Read the life insurance exclusions and limitations carefully. Some plans may have restrictions in case of death from certain causes, such as suicide in the early years of the insurance. Make sure you understand all the conditions and restrictions of the contract. 6. Additional benefits. some life insurance policies offer additional benefits, such as critical illness or disability coverage. Consider whether these additional benefits are important to you and whether the insurance offers them. 7. Reputation of the insurer. Investigate the reputation and financial strength of the insurer. Review customer reviews, the insurer's rating by rating agencies, and its claims payment history. 8. Professional advice. If you are unsure about what type of life insurance to choose or how much coverage you need, consider seeking advice from a life insurance agent or financial advisor. They can help you assess your needs and recommend a plan that's right for you. Auto insurance is a contract between a vehicle owner and an insurance company that provides financial protection in the event of traffic accidents, vehicle damage, liability, and other automobile-related events. When choosing the right auto insurance, there are several important factors to consider. 1. Required coverage. Research local laws and regulations to determine the minimum coverage required by your country or state. Generally, this includes liability that covers damages caused to third parties in the event of an accident. Also, consider whether you want to add additional coverages, such as collision, third-party damage, or theft. 2. Value of the vehicle. Consider the value of your vehicle. If you have a new or high-value car, you may want to consider a broader coverage, such as comprehensive coverage, which covers damages due to fire, theft, vandalism, among others. 3. Deductibles. A deductible is the amount you must pay out of pocket before insurance will cover the costs. Evaluate how much you are willing to pay as a deductible. A higher deductible may reduce the cost of the premium, but it implies a higher out-of-pocket payment in case of a claim. 4. Driving record. Your driving record can affect your insurance premiums. If you have a clean record with no accidents or moving violations, you may qualify for lower premiums. Be sure to provide accurate information about your driving record when applying for auto insurance. 5. Customer service and reputation. Research the insurance company's reputation and customer service. Read customer reviews, check their financial strength and claims payment history. A reliable company with good customer service can provide you with a better experience in the event of a claim. 6. Discounts and additional benefits. Ask the insurance company about available discounts. Some insurers offer discounts for having safety systems in the vehicle, having a good credit rating, being a member of certain organizations, or having multiple policies with the same company. Also, consider whether the company offers additional benefits, such as roadside assistance services. 7. Comparison of quotes. Request quotes from several insurance companies and compare them. Be sure to review the details of coverage, deductibles, and premiums offered by each company. This will help you choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. Homeowners insurance is a contract between a homeowner and an insurance company that provides financial protection against loss or damage to the property and its contents. Home insurance covers events such as fire, theft, water damage, vandalism, and other risks specified in the policy. When choosing the right home insurance, there are several important factors to consider. 1. Coverage of the structure and contents. Verify which elements of the structure of the home are covered, such as the main house, garages, sheds, among others. Also, make sure that the policy includes coverage for the contents of the home, such as furniture, appliances, jewelry, etc. 2. Reconstruction value. Determine the reconstruction value of your home. This is the estimated cost to rebuild your home in the event of a total loss. Make sure that the coverage is sufficient to cover this value, taking into account any improvements or renovations made to the property. 3. Liability coverage. Check if the policy includes liability coverage. This will protect you in case someone is injured on your property and files a lawsuit. 4. Coverage for specific events. Evaluate which events are covered by the policy. Some home insurance policies provide coverage for events such as earthquakes, floods, or other natural disasters. 5. Deductibles. A deductible is the amount you must pay out of pocket before insurance will cover the costs. Evaluate how much you are willing to pay as a deductible. A higher deductible may reduce the cost of the premium, but it implies a higher out-of-pocket payment in case of a claim. 6. Customer service and reputation. Research the insurance company's reputation and customer service. Read customer reviews, check their financial strength and claims payment history. A reliable company with good customer service can provide you with a better experience in the event of a claim. 7. Discounts and additional benefits. Ask the insurance company about available discounts. Some insurers offer discounts for having home security systems, fire alarms, multiple policies with the same company, among others. Also, consider if the company offers additional benefits, such as home assistance services. 8. Comparison of quotes. Request quotes from several insurance companies and compare them. Be sure to review the details of coverage, deductibles, and premiums offered by each company. This will help you choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. Liability insurance is a type of insurance that provides financial protection in the event that you, as the insured, are legally liable for causing damage to third parties or their property. It covers the costs of compensation, legal claims, and legal defense related to those damages. When choosing the right liability insurance, there are several important factors to consider. 1. Required coverage. Determine the level of coverage required for your specific situation. Some professions or activities may have specific legal requirements or regulations in terms of liability coverage. Make sure you know and comply with these requirements. 2. Type of liability. There are different types of liability insurance, such as general liability, professional liability, product liability, among others. Identify which type of liability is relevant to your situation and look for a policy that covers it adequately. 3. Coverage limit. Evaluate what the coverage limit for your policy should be. This refers to the maximum amount that the insurance will pay in the event of a claim. Consider the type of damage you could cause and the possible associated costs to determine the appropriate coverage limit. For covered activities, make sure you understand what specific activities are covered by the liability policy. Some policies may exclude certain high-risk activities or have restrictions on covered activities. Make sure the policy covers the activities relevant to you. 5. Exclusions and limitations. Read carefully the exclusions and limitations of the policy. Some policies may have specific exclusions, such as certain types of damages or activities considered high risk. Make sure you understand all the conditions and restrictions of the policy before purchasing it. 6. Reputation of the insurer. Investigate the reputation and financial strength of the insurer. Check customer reviews, the insurer's rating from rating agencies, and its claims payment history. You'll want to make sure the insurer is reliable and has the ability to meet claims payments. 7. Comparison of options. Request quotes from several insurance companies and compare the terms and conditions of each policy. Be sure to review the coverage details, indemnity limits, exclusions, and premiums offered by each company. This will help you choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. By understanding the different types of insurance and how to choose them properly, you can make informed decisions to protect your assets and your financial well-being. Remember, we at Canal Market Academy are here to provide you with more information and resources about insurance and other important aspects of personal finance.
We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive valuable content on a regular basis. And don't forget buy the book The Road to Financial Freedom and Happiness, available in its physical and digital version, to further expand your financial knowledge. This has been all for today, and I hope these tips have helped you. So without anything else to say, I say goodbye and see you in the next video.